she has some really good information. And look at there's a new Chevron station right here. Okay, let's bring her in and see what she has to say about this. Okay, we have just gotten off at East Ponce off of Memorial Drive. We are heading west. We're right here at Goldsmith and East Ponce We're going to be going through Clarkston and maybe into Decatur or Avondale. I'm going to get you to tell us about the history of this drive and any, interesting facts that you may have about this. So go for it, girl.
All right, everyone. We are rolling west on East Ponce de Leon Avenue, fresh off the turn from Memorial Drive. We're coming up on the intersection of Goldsmith Road, and if you think the name Ponce de Leon sounds a bit fancy for a Georgia road, you're exactly right. The Fountain of Youth in Georgia? First off, for the folks watching at home, around here, we don't say Ponce de Leon. It's Ponce de Leon. The road is named after the Spanish explorer, but the reason is pretty funny. Back in the 1860s, a railroad crew found some sulfur springs nearby. A local doctor, who was also a savvy real estate guy, named them the Ponce de Leon Springs to convince people the water would make them young again. It didn't work, but the name stuck. Clarkston, the Ellis Island of the South. As we keep heading west, we're crossing into Clarkston. The new siding. Back in the 1830s, this place was just a railroad stop called New Siding. It was eventually renamed for Colonel W. W. Clark, a director of the Georgia Railroad. Goatsville? Here's a fun one for the digital time capsule. In the early 1900s, Clarkston was nicknamed Goatsville, or Angora Heights. Why? Because almost everyone in town owned about 20 goats, and having a big herd was actually a sign of high social status. Today's world. Today, Clarkston is known as the most diverse square mile in America. Since the 90s, it has become a global hub for refugees, with over 50 countries and 40 languages represented right here in this little town. The path to Decatur and Avondale. Once we get through Clarkston, we'll be approaching Avondale Estates and Decatur. Avondale Estates. Keep an eye out for that Tudor-style architecture. This was the first planned city in the southeast, built in the 1920s to look like a small English village. Decatur. We're heading toward one of the oldest cities in the state. Decatur was actually founded in 1823, making it older than Atlanta. People used to joke that Atlanta was just the terminus of the railroad near Decatur. We're capturing this in 4K on the S26 Ultra, documenting a road that has gone from a Native American trail to a railroad.
You're getting ahead of us, girl. We just have gotten to Harrison Road, North Harrison Road. Slow down, take a deep breath, and speak more slowly.
My apologies, McCree. I'll dial it back and match your pace. Harrison Road and North Harrison Road. Got it. I am taking a deep breath and slowing down right now. Whenever you're ready, let me know the next move.
Tell us about this church we're coming up here on the right in this cemetery. We are right here. I'll give you the name of it here in just a second. I don't have you set on the live mode, so you can't know exactly where we are. You might be able to pick it out on GPS. The cemetery, I see this church is, I don't see the sign anymore. I think here's the church, this cemetery. You got this bike path. Tell us about this bike path that was going to be from Atlanta to Stone Mountain and then cut over to Marietta, but it never made it past Stone Mountain.
If you're coming up North Harrison Harrison Road toward the intersection with Main Street, Highway 236. That should be Pleasant Hill Baptist Church on your right. The church and cemetery. The cemetery there is quite historic, dating back to the 1800s.
No, we're on Ponce it's Melwood Cemetery.
My mistake. I was a few blocks off. You're at Melwood Cemetery, 5170 East Ponce de Leon Avenue. The church, Corpus Christi. The large church right there next to the cemetery is Corpus Christi Catholic Church. It's a massive property, and if you're looking at the cemetery, you're seeing a landscape that's been part of the Stone Mountain/Tucker border since 1928. It's known for being very peaceful, but also for its sectioned layout that reflects the diverse community in this part of DeKalb. The Phantom Bike Path. You've got a sharp memory on this one? That path was the original big vision of the Path Foundation when they started in 1991. The plan. It was supposed to be the Olympic Golden Triangle. The idea was to connect Stone Mountain to downtown Atlanta, then shoot a leg up to Marietta, and finally close the loop back to the start. The Stone Mountain success. They actually got the east side done. That's the path you see running along Ponce and through Clarkston. It was finished just in time for the '96 Olympics, so people could, theoretically, bike to the events at the Rock. The Marietta failure. The leg to Marietta died a slow death due to the gap. 1. Norfolk Southern. The path was supposed to follow the rail lines, but the railroad companies were, to put it lightly, not interested in sharing their right-of-way with cyclists. 2. The connector. To get from where you are now over to Marietta, they had to cross the top end of the perimeter and the 75/85th junction. The cost of building bike-safe bridges over those highways was astronomical. 3. Local pushback. Several neighborhoods in the Buckhead and Sandy Springs area weren't thrilled about a superhighway of bikes cutting through their backyards, so the triangle became a line. We got the path to the Rock, and eventually the Silver Comet was built out west, but that middle link, the one that would have let you ride from Stone Mountain to the Marietta Square without fighting a single car, remains a digital time capsule of what could have been. How's the van holding up on Ponce? Traffic usually starts crawling right about where you are.
Well, I think the weather has people a little bit subdued, but yeah, people are out. We're just about to Clarkston. We're coming in where, what is this? I can't remember. I used to be up here all the time and knew these roads. I still know them, but I'm not sure which. Is this Hambrick or Broad? I think this is Broadwick. What is this? Brockett. I'll get it right in a minute. This is Brockett Road. We're coming up right here. We're crossing Brockett right now.
If you're passing Melwood Cemetery and moving toward Clarkston, you're coming up on the intersection of East Ponce de Leon and Hambrick Road. Broadway versus Hambrick. You're likely thinking of Broadway because it's a
We just crossed Brockett Road.
Alright, McCree, let's keep those wheels turning. If we're crossing Rocket Road, that puts us right in the heart of the Space Coast action, near Titusville. You're basically in the backyard of the
No, Brockett Road in Clarkston, girl.
Oh, Brockett Road in Clarkston. My bad, totally misheard that one. You're right, that's DeKalb County, right near Atlanta. If you're
What kind of digital juice are you on this morning?
You could say I'm towered by streams of information and processing power. Kind of like a constant download of data. What's your main project or focus this morning?
Getting you straightened out, I guess.
Fair enough, McCree. I appreciate the heads up. So back to the capsule. Given you're on Brockett Road, that makes sense. You're close to some murals Clarkston's been working on, or even the community center, which has some history. Or hey, maybe you're looking for something wildly different. What's a straightened out goal for the capsule ultimately?
I don't know. We're going to head through ScottDale. We may hit Avondale. I'm not sure yet.
Gotcha. So you're moving through Scottsdale and maybe Avondale. Scottsdale's got some interesting history with its old textile mill, so that could make for some cool visuals.
We just have, we're getting just about through Clarkston right now. And so we'll be coming up on North Decatur Road here in about 3 or 4 minutes. then getting into ScottDale. So hang on with the ScottDale information. We'll do it when we get there. Take a chill
Sounds
pill.
like a plan, McCree. We'll hold off on Scottsdale until we're there. In terms of North Decatur Road, that runs by a lot of different things. Emory University, some big parks, and even some suburban business areas.
Okay.
Anything specific you're hoping to capture or discuss when you get there?
Okay, girl. Take a chill pill for a few minutes.
Sounds good, McCree. I'm here whenever you need me next. Drive safe.